how you can make a voice call or a video call or calls for free. No airtime, no data requested. No data requested. You can go on your Play Store and download the application named Let's Chat. And you download that app, and then you log in on that app. Then you do not buy any bundle. Then you log in. You can do calls, WhatsApp messages. You can do calls, videos calls for free. What only just light your data. That's the only requirement. You can get across to someone with a bad or low network, even if the person is offline. The call or the video call or the chat will remain go on. So go to your Play Store and download Let's Chat. Then you enjoy your free data, your free calls for free.